Hey guys, so as we start the new year, I just wanted to show you my setups. But before I do that, I realized I never showed what my setup was for 2020. And before I start transferring things over to my 2021 planner, I just want to show you what I've been in the whole year. And I have not changed this at all. Mainly because we've been staying home, obviously, and there hasn't been a lot to plan, and I didn't feel inspired to change my setup because it was really working well for me, and plus I love like these bright Lisa Frank kind of colors, so I really just was content with my setup. This is my cover. This is from Television Trainwreck. October made this. Gorgeous. And this has taken a beating, and it looks like the day I've got it. Like, I highly recommend all of her planner covers. Be patient. It's a handmade item, but you will never regret getting a planner from her. So this was what I was currently in. I've got some like glitter pea stuff, honeybee shop. These are hollow letters from Michaels. And then these are from, and I believe these are Pastel Paper Moon. I will link in the description. She's got such pretty pastel, kind of like Halloween inspired digital, so you don't have to wait for them. And I believe that's from her too. So I really love her stuff. These are hollow tabs from Amazon. This is a digital dash image, and I just put my name here, cut it out of that like hollow scrapbook paper. It's not even vinyl. These tabs I've been using straight consecutively for 3 years. I keep rebuying them, and they're from City Girl Planners. I'm gonna try to take a stab at making them myself. I saw a YouTube video on how to do these yourself, but I might just buy them from her again. And, you know, after March, you know, I didn't really have much to plan. There was nothing really else. I just like have birthdays and stuff, and then this was like the month of May. But there was not a whole lot to plan here. My weeklies, and by the way, this is not personal size. I don't know if you can see that from this video. This is actually Franklin Covey standard size, which is half an inch longer, half an inch wider than personal size. Let's see if I have something that's a personal size. So this is a personal size, was it 3.75 by 6.75? And you can see that this is just half an inch longer. So it's not as wide as personal wide. It's half an inch smaller than personal wide and half an inch wider than personal. And I've been very happy with this size. I don't feel the need to change it at all, and I find that I can still use my personal covers even though I've gone up the half inch on the width. I believe these are some Post-its from Simply Gilded. I stopped my subscription because I have so much washi and it's going bad. This layout has been maybe like the best layout I've seen. I haven't really been decorating weeklies, but I just love the way it's set. Let me find like a blank one. Well, obviously there probably won't be a blank, well, like here. So in June, I kind of gave up. We didn't have plans. We were staying home, so I didn't really plan anything. So we've got to-do lists at the top, habit tracker, shopping list, and then I love the lined format here. And this is all from Jeet Papery. And I bought these already printed, and you can buy like the whole year. You can buy 12 months. So I had bought it like in, what was it, February of last year. And I had until February of the next year. So I'm waiting for my next set of inserts, which are also going to be from them. And it's going to start in March, I believe. So yeah. So that I have no desire to change. This is a little pen holder I made. I believe this is from Michael's, and then I just sewed it on my sewing machine. Carol's birthday. And then I have a section for dailies. I did not use any dailies this year. So that section I'm probably not gonna have in my 2021 setup. So that did not really work for me. Then I have my tracker for, this is my bill tracker for 2021. And that was still personal size because I had changed it mid-year. And so I didn't feel the need to change this because I was already had started in that. And this is from Annie Plans Printable. So I have like the due dates here, and then I have my bills there, and then I have the months at the top. So it's a little different, but you know, try something new. Then I have like my passwords and stuff, address book. Then I have like my crazy lists, like my wish list of like stuff I want, projects I'd like to do for myself. Me and my daughter have this crazy thing where we write down words we like. It's so funny, we're so crazy. Like Worcestershire and like ganache, I don't know. I don't have quirky little things like that. Shows I wanted to watch. I have my crazy little list of baby names because I'm a weirdo. Places I want to eat at. And then while we were all in unemployment, I had like jobs in here. But I'm back at my job that I love. So I'm super happy I didn't really have to use that. This section, I think I'm always going to keep because it's kind of like, it's like a remembrance. And this is the list of all the freaking face masks that I made during quarantine. So I had a video up on how to make like face masks that didn't need any elastics. And this was like my project of the year. So for like 5 months, I made a bazillion face masks, a lot of bling masks. So that's kind of cool to like be able to look back on that and see how much work I did. And I shouldn't say it was just myself. My husband also learned how to make the face masks too. So he's actually a pretty good sewer now. Okay. Here was my project section. Usually this is all filled up for the year, but because I was making face masks for 5 months, I didn't use my project list section. This is also from Annie Plans Printables. All right, and then this is my notes section, just like etc. And here I have like my back image, which is also the planner press. And I printed it on vellum, so you kind of have like that see-through effect. And then here is just like a little thing from some flowers I got. And that's the back of the planner. And then I'm going to show you what my setup is going to be for this upcoming year. Okay, so even before I get into my current setup for 2021, I do want to show you some designer planner inspo that you can add to your planners, especially that now everyone's kind of, well, in the planner community, I should say, everyone has kind of like these like LV inspired planners and accessories, especially if we love carrying LV. It's just cute to have something with their logo on it, even if it's something you're doing yourself. A planner from Michael's that was literally like $5 in the clearance rack, and I just put some rose gold hollow vinyl on it, and I cut some dividers. I foiled out these on acetate and laminated them, decorated the pocket. This is from the planner press. It's like a stacked speedy. Had to think there for a minute. Here I have the Amazon monthly inserts. Here is the weekly. And I have username and passwords and lists. But it also came with lists and notes, which I thought was pretty cool. And here's like some grid paper and extra line paper. I made a little LV shaker, a little purse, and then I just put some Post-its and like another foil bow there. And then a little jewel pen. And that's how I put together this designer inspired planner. All right, so these are just some dividers I made for a friend that already had a planner cover, and her size is A5. So I made her a little shaker, and this is just Target glitter in there, and I cut some like acetate little logos, and there's like some hollow ones, you can kind of see them there. And then we call her JLo, so this has the hollow, and then like some leftover holographic stickers that I've had from my previous planners. These are the dividers, and I will link the papers where I got these. I got them off of Etsy. This is rose gold, so pretty. This is pink. I've never seen an LV with pink, but and then these are weekly and today bookmarkers. And then of course a gem pen. And then these I'm calling just like pocket decorations. So I believe this is from like a planner society, and I just stuck that there. This is from the Planner Press, is another little hollow LV. I have like 2 more Amazon pockets that I decorated, and she loves Disney, so I had this laying around, so I gave her that. And then I also made her a little purse with her name on it. She can put like Post-its and stuff. All right, so that is how I did that. Okay, you guys, so this is my current setup for 2021 finally, and I do have a really fun inspired planner, and this is a lay milk planner from Lena. And I guess the trend right now is for planner people is to have a word of the year, and this is my word of the year. It's vibrant, and actually I have a few words of the year, and I got it off of a bottle of juice. So this is my today bookmarker, and I just want to share with you the quote that I got off of this bottle of juice, and it says, "Every moment of every day we can be our best, most loving and vibrant selves. Together, let's step up and show up better than yesterday." And it just really spoke to me. I mean, what else do you need there? And my planner style, it's never going to be like minimalist. I'm not into that. I love boho. I love color. I love everything else. And so I kind of meshed everything with a little bit of the designer stuff and just like colors and images that inspire me. First off, I made this. I have to give it up to all you vinyl gals that do this for a living. This took forever. When I mean forever, I mean forever to weed this thing. So like, I have a friend, Cute Nene and things, Rita. Dude, give it up to you for being able to weed those. All right, so here's one of my other dividers. I also this is also a vinyl. This is from, I believe, Cheeky Darling, and this is just like a beautiful kind of like watercolor image that, and I'll link all the digitals here. So this is my monthly, and I am so in love with this font. I love it when hearts are incorporated with modern calligraphy. This is from Peach Blossoms. It comes pre-printed, and I just thought I would get something different, and I love that it has like a little monthly overview right here. This is a little shaker I made, and you can kind of see a little bit of the LV hollow, if you can see that there. My nickname. These stickers I got at Daiso, and then I printed a little cloud. I thought that was cute. This is another thing that I foiled, and I'm going to be transferring my birthdays onto this tracker. This was originally personal size, and this is the FC size. Also from Daiso, this little paper clip. My weeklies I did get in, and they also have like the timed lines now. So that was like a nice little feature that they added. And these are from G Papery. Here I have another digital that I foiled, and another digital I got from Etsy. It's my tracker. And here I'm going to put some pictures in there. I haven't quite found some pictures. And all of my dividers are neon. So that's super, super fun. And then here is another word of the year that I have, is to just show up. You know, if you sign up, show up. And then here is another word that is speaking out just, you know, more in my personal life, and it's just the word strong, and that you are stronger than your emotions. This is also a new lists insert that I found on Annie Plans Printables, and look how cute. It just ties in with the cover really, really nice. This is the back. And I just layered everything that I love in the back. So we've got some hollow, we've got some acetate, we've got some moons and stars. Valentine's Day is coming up. So I got some cute Post-its. And I'm obsessed with peach, as you all know. So this is how I'm going to be planning for my 2021. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.